Most people are paying for AI tools they don't need. These 7 are completely free, and professionals are quietly using them every single day. I spent 2 weeks testing every free AI tool I could find. Most were garbage, but 7 of them genuinely changed how I work. And by the end of this video, you'll have a full toolkit that costs you exactly nothing. Stay with me, because the last tool on this list is the one nobody talks about. Number 1, ChatGPT free tier. Yes, it's still free, and most people don't realize the free version is powerful enough for writing, research, brainstorming, and summarizing documents. The trick is how you prompt it. Instead of saying, "Write me an email," say this: "Write a professional email declining a meeting. Under 100 words, friendly tone." Specificity is everything. That one change makes ChatGPT feel like a completely different tool. Number 2, Google NotebookLM. This is the most underrated free AI tool right now. You upload any document, a PDF, an article, a research paper, and it creates a podcast-style audio summary automatically. Upload a 60-page report. Get a 10-minute audio briefing. Completely free, completely wild. Number 3, Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google, but it reads the entire web for you and writes a clean summary with sources. No more clicking through 10 tabs. Search once, get your answer. Free forever. Number 4, Canva AI. The free version of Canva now has AI built directly into it. Generate images, remove backgrounds, resize designs for every platform, and create entire presentation slides from a single text prompt. It's a design agency in a browser tab. Number 5, ElevenLabs free tier. You can use professional AI voices to narrate anything: a podcast, a video, a presentation. 10,000 characters free every month. That's roughly 15 minutes of high-quality audio. Number 6, Runway ML. This is AI video generation. You type a prompt, it generates a video clip. Free users get 125 credits to start. It's not perfect yet, but the trajectory is moving fast, and learning it now puts you ahead of 99% of people. Number 7, Claude AI. Made by Anthropic and widely considered better than ChatGPT for nuanced writing, long documents, and deep analysis. The free version handles enormous amounts of text, meaning you can paste an entire document and have a full conversation about it. Now, before I wrap up, there's one bonus tool I almost didn't include because it sounds too simple, but it's the one I actually use most: Notion AI. If you already use Notion for notes, the AI layer is now partially free. It summarizes, rewrites, generates action items, and turns a messy brain dump into a structured document in seconds. That's 7 tools, plus one bonus, completely free. All links are in the description below. If this was useful, subscribe, because next week I'm covering something that makes all of these tools look basic, and you don't want to miss it.